The wise old tree. In the heart of the forest stood a majestic oak tree, its branches reaching high into the sky. This wise old tree had witnessed the passing of seasons and generations, offering shelter to countless animals throughout its long life. Animals of all kinds sought the tree's guidance and wisdom. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, they gathered beneath its shade, seeking solace and enlightenment. The tree taught them about the cycles of life, the ebb and flow of energy, the beauty of growth and decay, and the inevitability of change. It shared tales of resilience and the interconnectedness of all living beings. Through the tree's teachings, the animals discovered the importance of patience, as they observed the tree's slow but steady growth. They learned that true strength lies not in haste, but in embracing the journey and allowing life to unfold at its own pace. The wise old tree reminded them that, like its branches intertwining above, their lives were interconnected. They were part of a greater tapestry, a web of life in which each animal played a vital role. As the animals absorbed the tree's wisdom, they formed a stronger bond with one another, realizing that unity and harmony were the keys to their collective well-being. The wise old tree became their guiding light, reminding them that they were never alone in their journey through the vastness of the forest. Please, like, share and follow. Thank you.